evaluate the following integrals. Here I have number D, integral of r into square root of 1 minus r squared dr. So firstly you have to, whatever is under the square root, you have to let it to be u. So let u is equal to 1 minus r squared, 1 minus r squared. Alright, then now we have to derive. So du over dr, du over dr is equal to negative 2r, is equal to negative 2r. Now let's make dr the subject of the formula so that we can substitute it here in the original equation. So it's gonna be du is equal to negative 2r times dr. Therefore dr is equal to du over negative 2r, over negative 2r. Now let's substitute dr is equal to du over negative 2r in the original equation. So now we have the integral, of r multiplied by u to the power half. We're changing the square root into exponential form, to the power half multiplied by dr, multiplied by dr. So we have to replace dr as du over negative 2r, right? So this r will cancel the r on the numerator, then we'll be left with an integral of u to the power half multiplied by du. Then here we have negative 1 over 2, alright. So now we have to integrate now. So is equal to negative 1 over 2 multiplied by u to the power half multiplied by u to the power half plus 1 over plus 1 in this case is gonna be 2 over 2, then this is all over this is all over 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus c, right? So here we have 3, okay, we have is equal to 2 over 3. We're doing the reciprocal of the denominator, 2 over 3 multiplied by negative 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2 u to the power 3 over 2 u to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Alright, now let's simplify. Is equal to, so our final answer will be negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3. Now let's substitute the value of u. Remember, u said let u is equal to 1 over is equal to 1 minus r squared. So now put it back into 1 minus r squared into 1 minus r squared to the power 3 over 2 to the power 3 over 2 right, plus c, plus c. All right, so now let's substitute the values. Remember we had it was 1 and 0, so let's substitute the values. Is equals to negative 1 over 3 into 1 minus, where there's r we put 1 whole squared then all to the power 3 over 2 3 over 2 all right, plus c, right? So all of this minus into negative 1 over 3 negative 1 over 3, right, into 1 minus 0. Now we're substituting 0, this one, so 1 minus 0 squared, which will be 0, all to the power 3 over 2 about 3 over 2 plus c. Alright, so let's simplify. So it's gonna be negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, then let's simplify inside the brackets. So we'll have 1 minus 1, that is 0. Anything raised to 0 raised to any number will be 0, so here into 0, then plus c minus, okay, let's simplify the everything inside the brackets, minus into negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, right, then simplify everything inside the brackets. Is gonna be 0 minus 1 minus 0, it's 1. 1 raised to any number will always be 1, right, then plus c, alright, we are almost done. Is equal to, so this one becomes 0, is equals to c, right, then c minus into negative multiplied by negative is going to be positive, so it's going to be c plus 1 over 3, c plus 1 over 3, right, then negative multiplied by positive c is going to be negative c, so our final answer is positive 1 over 3. Our final answer is equal to 1 over 3. That is our final answer for this problem. It's 1 over 3. Alright, so what you need to do, just go through the problem and then make sure you do it by yourself, then attempt from E up to K. Thank you so much for watching.